Hello you guys and welcome. Today we are going to be talking about the Lululemon Everywhere bag. I got mine in the 1L size and I got it in the black and gold and it was $38. Now let me just tell you how I went about getting this. I was perusing Facebook and I know I've looked at belt bags on Amazon before and I was very close to getting one on there. So maybe that's why this popped up on Facebook, but of course an ad for this bag popped up. And honestly, I don't own anything from Lululemon. This is my first, and I know the prices, they can be pricey, but I've heard that the quality is great and it's worth it. But I was actually shocked when I saw this bag and how inexpensive it was. You know what? I've been looking for a belt bag and I'm kind of curious about Lululemon because everyone is obsessed with it. So if I end up liking this bag, maybe I will try some of their leggings one day. I just got this in the mail today. It came so fast. It took like 5 days from like the day I ordered it, which I don't think is bad. What the bag looks like. It's so cute. Now I will say, I was a little bit nervous after I ordered it because I saw that they have a large one and I was like, oh no, maybe I should have gotten the large. But after having this in my hand and kind of like, I don't know, I feel like this is going to be the perfect size for me. I feel like the large one might have been a little too big for what I was wanting. I normally carry around like a camera bag, is that what they're called? It's like a, I don't know, like it's bigger than this. And I normally carry that around a crossbody. And I just wanted something a little bit smaller that I could just wear either on my waist or around, you know, crossbody, just so that it's easier for me to carry the baby because she's getting huge now. So I just wanted something like this. And I will say the quality on here is really, really nice. So I love the detail on here. Like I said, this one is the black and gold and it's got the little gold Lululemon emblem right here. And then it's got a little gold on the zipper here too. And that is the only gold on here. I think it would have been cool if they would have done a couple more gold accents just because I love gold. This would have been cool if it was gold and even, well, maybe not that, but I don't know. It's really cute. And then when you open it up, what the inside compartment looks like. So it's got a bigger pocket on this side, and then on this side it's got two little smaller pockets here. And then of course, like right here, you can fit a bunch more. And then on the back, it has a little zipper area. And here I plan on putting either my cell phone or maybe my wallet. It just depends on how it works out when I wear it. So this video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money and I was really, really excited to get it. This particular bag comes in a variety of colors. Orange, gray, allspice, ooh, that's pretty. There's a white and black one, white and red. There's a really cute like rainbow, well, it's kind of like ombre that has the Lulu emblem and it's white. And then of course it's got the black and silver, like a navy, the black and gold, silver, and a pink pastel. The pink pastel is really, really cute too. So like I said, this one is the 1L. They do have a mini, I believe, and they have a large. So this one is perfect for me. Yeah. So we're gonna get into seeing what fits in here and then I'll show you guys the different ways that you can wear it. All right, so these are all the items that I wanted to try to fit in here. So I think what I'm gonna do is put my wallet back here because I don't need to access this as much as say my phone. I'm gonna put my wallet back there. And then let's see, got my lotion. How did I put that? Oh yeah, it sits up right there. And then I'm gonna put my lotion and my hand sanitizer in one, and then my ear pods and my lip gloss in one, and then I think I could probably fit my phone in here. And then all I have left are my keys. So let me go get those because I forgot them. Okay, and then here are the keys, and those fit really nice in there. Oh my gosh, like I am actually blown away by how well everything fits in here. And I would actually have a little extra space if I needed to throw like a snack or something in there for the baby, or like my mints or gum or something. Yeah, I'm actually shocked at how much space this little bag actually has in it. So I am really happy I went with this size. So now I'm going to show you guys the different ways to wear it. This is definitely my favorite way to wear it. Just kind of over the shoulder, you know, crossbody, normal crossbody. I like how it sits a little bit lower here. You can always tighten it and wear it up a little bit tighter, but I kind of like it feeling a little looser like that, and just like, and then if I have the baby, I can put her on this hip and it's not really in the way. So this is my personal favorite way to wear it. And then you could also, like if you're just running out of the house really quick, you could just throw it over your shoulder like that, and it's just kind of hanging down like this. You might want to tighten it a little bit, but this is not bad either. It's just kind of like a quick little way to throw it on. I don't prefer this one just because it could fall off your shoulder and it's kind of uncomfortable, but this is one option as well. Of course, last but not least, it can actually be worn on your hip, like around your waist, like an actual belt bag, like it's kind of marketed for. It is actually hanging, it's kind of hard to see because I have black shorts on, but it's hanging a little bit low, so you could tighten it up. I'm going to try tightening it, but this actually would be the perfect height, or this would be the perfect spot for me to wear it when I'm carrying the baby, because then it won't be in the way at all. Like her legs can go across it even. So this is actually probably how I'm going to be wearing it most of the time, just because it'll be easier to carry the baby with. So that's how it is up a little bit higher, so it could sit like right there as well. Kind of hard to see. I hope you guys can see it because I have black shorts on and everything, but of course it's super easy to get in and out of. I love this thing. And then you can just undo it like that and you're good to go. Yeah, so these even move. There's two little elastics and those move to wherever you want to put them as well, which is cool. This is how it looks, like up a little bit tighter. It's like up a little bit higher. And this way is comfortable as well too. Like, it's just it's so comfortable. I really, really like this. All right, you guys, there you have it. That is my little review / try on of the Lululemon Everywhere bag in the 1L. I really do like this bag. I was a little unsure of the size, but I love it. I think it's the perfect size and it's easy to get in and out of. And it's comfortable to wear, it's cute, and if it gets dirty, I think it's gonna clean really easily. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if you guys have this bag or if you have another one, what your favorite one is. All right, you guys, we'll see you on the next video. Bye.